Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Polynomials. The given question is classify the following as linear, quadratic or cubic polynomial, and the given polynomial is r to the power 2. So guys, let us see how we can answer this question. Here the question has given us this polynomial. Here the question has given us this polynomial r to the power 2, and question is asking us the question has given us this polynomial r to the power 2, and question is asking us to identify if this is a linear polynomial or a quadratic polynomial or a cubic polynomial. Now guys, let us try to first of all understand what does it mean by a linear polynomial, a quadratic polynomial or a cubic polynomial. If we can understand its definitions, then it would be very easy to answer this question. If you look into the definitions that I have posted about linear polynomial, a polynomial of degree 1 is called as a linear polynomial. See, this is as simple as like this. A polynomial of degree 1 is called as a linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called as a quadratic polynomial. Cubic polynomial, a polynomial of degree 3 is called as a cubic polynomial. The definitions are very simple and very straightforward. Let us look into the examples. 4x plus 5, t plus root 2, y minus 4. Here the variables, here the power of the variables are 1 in each of these examples. Similarly, so this is a linear polynomial example. These are the linear polynomial examples where power of the variables is 1. Let us look into the examples of quadratic polynomial. 4x to the power 5 plus 4x to the power 2 plus 5, y to the power 2 minus 4, t to the power 2 plus t plus root 2. Here the highest power of the variables are 2. Here in each case the highest power of the variables are 2. So this belongs to quadratic polynomial. Now let us look into the examples of cubic polynomial. 4x to the power 3, 5x to the power 3 plus 4x to the power 2 plus 5, 6y cube minus y, y to the power 3 minus 4. Here the power of the variables, the highest power of the variables are 3. So this belongs to cubic polynomial. Now guys, after understanding the definitions of these polynomials, linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial, let us try to identify to which category this r to the power 2 belongs to. If you look into the definition, so this power of this r, the power of this variable r is 2. The highest power of this variable r is 2. That means it belongs to the category a polynomial of degree 2. So this is a polynomial of degree 2. That means it belongs to this category. So we can say therefore this is a quadratic polynomial. You can write something like this in your own words. This is a quadratic polynomial. Why? You can say that the highest power of the variable is 2, or the degree of the highest degree of this variable is 2. So this is a quadratic polynomial. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.